Welcome to the world of Microsoft Excel, a powerful spreadsheet tool that can transform your data into meaningful insights. In today's data-driven world, Excel has become an essential skill for professionals across various industries. Whether you're managing finances, analyzing sales figures, or tracking project progress, Excel is your one-stop solution for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application that allows you to store, organize, and manipulate data in a grid-like format. Each cell in the spreadsheet can hold a piece of information, such as a number, a text string, or a formula. Excel's powerful features enable you to perform calculations, analyze trends, and create stunning visualizations to communicate your findings effectively. Key functions of Microsoft Excel. Excel's versatility lies in its wide range of functions, making it a valuable tool for various tasks. Let's explore some of the key functions that make Excel a powerful data management tool. Data entry. Excel's user-friendly interface allows you to easily enter data into cells, creating a structured and organized repository of information. Formulas and functions. Excel's strength lies in its ability to perform complex calculations using formulas and functions. These formulas can automate calculations, analyze trends, and generate insights from your data. Data formatting. Excel provides a variety of formatting options to make your data visually appealing and easy to understand. You can adjust font styles, cell colors, borders, and alignment to enhance readability and highlight key information. Data analysis. Excel offers sophisticated data analysis tools, such as pivot tables and charts, to summarize, analyze, and visualize your data. Pivot tables allow you to filter, sort, and aggregate data, while charts transform data into visually compelling representations. Collaboration. Excel promotes teamwork by enabling real-time collaboration with others. You can share workbooks, make simultaneous edits, and track changes, streamlining the data analysis process. Practical uses of Microsoft Excel. Excel's practical applications extend across various industries and personal needs. Let's explore some of the common scenarios where Excel proves its worth. Financial management. Excel is a popular tool for managing personal and business finances. You can track expenses, income, and budgets, create financial reports, and calculate loan payments. Business analysis. Businesses rely on Excel to analyze sales data, track customer trends, and evaluate market performance. Excel's pivot tables and charts provide valuable insights for informed decision-making. Scientific research. Scientists utilize Excel to organize and analyze experimental data. They can perform statistical calculations, create graphs, and generate reports to communicate their findings. Project management. Project managers use Excel to create project schedules, track tasks, manage resources, and allocate budgets. Excel's Gantt charts and task lists provide a clear overview of project progress. Personal use. Excel isn't just for business and academia. Individuals use it to create shopping lists, track fitness goals, manage home finances, and plan events. Excel's versatility makes it a handy tool for everyday tasks. Benefits of using Microsoft Excel. Adopting Microsoft Excel as your data management tool offers numerous benefits. Versatility. Excel's adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks. From personal finance to complex scientific analysis. User-friendly interface. Excel's intuitive interface and easy-to-use features make it accessible to users of all skill levels. Powerful data analysis tools. Excel's robust set of data analysis tools, including pivot tables, charts, and functions, enables you to derive meaningful insights from your data. Collaborative features. Excel's real-time collaboration features facilitate teamwork and streamline data analysis processes. Compatibility. Excel supports various file formats and integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Office applications. Microsoft Excel stands as a powerful and versatile tool for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner venturing into data management, Excel empowers you to transform your data into actionable insights. Embrace Excel's capabilities and unlock your potential to make informed decisions, solve complex problems, and achieve your goals.